Welcome back to my channel. It's my with Miss Wagashi TV. On today's episode, I will teach you how to make strawberry mochi with yogurt cream filling. This mochi dessert is suitable for any occasions, but as the spring is just around the corner, let's enjoy the fresh strawberry wrapped in sweet and chewy mochi. As a preparation, wash strawberries and cut off the leafy top. I will start by making yogurt cream for the filling. Pour chilled heavy cream into a mixing bowl. Add sugar and beat the cream until peaks form. Then add Greek yogurt and mix well until combined. Transfer the cream to a piping bag with a round decorating tip. Now I will make mochi. Place glutinous rice flour and sugar in a microwave-safe mixing bowl. Add water in 2 to 3 addition. Add a small amount of red food coloring and stir well until the color is uniform. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and microwave. Then stir the mochi mixture. Cover and microwave again. Mix well and then spread it on the starch-dusted surface. Dust the mochi with more starch. Then flatten the mochi into a square shape. Cut the mochi. Take a piece of mochi and pipe the cream on the center. Then place a strawberry on top of the cream and pipe the cream to cover the strawberry. Bring the two corners of mochi together to enclose the filling. Pinch the edges to seal. Serve the mochi sealed side down. The strawberry mochi with yogurt cream filling is complete now.